Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the signs have been switched on. We suggest that whenever seated, you keep your seatbelt fastened. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, and remember that smoking is not permitted at any time. We'll shortly be passing through the cabin with our EasyJet Bistro service. We have a selection of food and drink on board today, which includes a variety of hot drinks, including coffee, hot cocoa,